Whereas coming to software companies, okay, so software companies also they are selling their softwares into the market. Like that, they are doing their business. Okay, like Microsoft or SAP or Oracle, right? IBM, these are all the companies, right? So let's wait for few more minutes, others to join, then I'll start. Okay. So here Salesforce companies providing lifetime free practice server, guys. Okay. So no need to pay any charges. Okay. So lifetime account which I'm going to set up each and every one. Is your own practice server. Okay. You can develop your own software applications. You can develop your own databases. You can do anything. Some standard things are there and some custom things which you are going to develop.
సార్
Yep.
మీ స్క్రీన్ కనపడలేదు సార్, మీరు సింగిల్ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తున్నారు.
Now
ఒకసారి ఇప్పుడు ఓకే అండి.
okay.
ఎంటర్ప్రైజ్ క్వాలిటీ యాప్ అని చెప్పి కనపడుతుంది.
Yeah. So like this we are going to set up. This is the URL to create your software. By default, Salesforce company is giving some standard software. Okay, we can use that software if it is useful for you. If it is not enough for you, we are going with your own development activities. How we can develop all those things, we'll see going forward. Okay. Let's wait for another 1 or 2 minutes. So how many of you know what is a Salesforce? Have you gone through about Salesforce?
Yes, Salesforce is a CRM application. It's in a cloud application.
Yes. Then any others? So Salesforce is one of the software company, guys. Salesforce is one of the software company like Microsoft, SAP, Oracle, IBM, like that. Okay, they are having or they are developing only CRM software applications, and they are selling the softwares into market. So different companies, this Salesforce CRM software they are taking from Salesforce company, they are using. Two types of things Salesforce is providing, mainly the standard or ready-made softwares which Salesforce is giving. So if you want to start business immediately, you can take software from Salesforce and you can use it. If that is not enough for you, you want to do more, you can modify according to your necessaries. So this is suitable for each and every scale of businesses. So scaling means, so we have small scale business and middle and large scale business companies are there. This CRM software is suitable for any type of businesses. They have given lot of flexibilities. Flexibility means, so cost wise and licenses wise, right? So suppose you are having 100 members in your, right? So you want to use the Salesforce CRM software, right? So they will give it to you. Whereas some other softwares, so they won't give if you are having 100 employees in your company. 100 employees going to use this software means they won't give. They are having minimum. So 1,000 members we need or 500 members we need. That restriction is there. Okay, but here there is no such limitations. Got it? Salesforce is one of the software company. So they are developing softwares, right? So earlier days, so they are developing desktop applications and they are giving it on someone, can you please mute? Shalini, can you please mute yourself? Yeah. Okay. They are developing standalone applications. They are installing into your laptop or desktop computers. Then we are using. So whenever any issues or anything came, so those people are coming and helping. That lot of maintenance or lot of things, if you want to upgrade your software, again they are coming and they are upgrading your software in your laptop or desktops. Right? They are maintaining the server to store their data in their mission or their local server. That is big headache to the companies. So that's why they have introduced one cloud concept. So it's a cloud concept means, so we are not storing anything in our complete data in our system or in our laptop. So these all data, all structure, each and everything is maintaining by company itself only. Having cloud server, so simply we are accessing it from through URL or internet. So wherever you are in, you can connect. So they are keeping all your data, all your software safe. Got it? So like that, cloud-based means no need to download, no need to install anything. Just you have like URL based, just click on some link, login.salesforce.com link, which is providing by the Salesforce. So he can, here we are having, they will set up your username and password initial time. Then you can use, you can log in your software and you can use this, all the things. Okay. So let me set up one software for our institute purpose. Okay. So we are reaching out to Salesforce company. Salesforce company is doing some. So whenever you are sign up, this is the sign up page. So this URL also available in Google. No need to worry. Okay. So each and everything is available in Google. That we'll see later. So mainly, what are the main softwares included in CRM? Three softwares. One is the marketing software, sales software, and service software. Correct? So these three softwares only mainly providing, these three softwares only mainly they are working on. Applications and development. Keep on developing new functionalities and giving it to all the clients who all are using Salesforce CRM software. For all of them, they are giving frequently, they are giving upgrades. That is the biggest advantage of Salesforce. So they are using latest features. Every 4 months once they are upgrading. Okay. So here, how to work this server, what are the main functionalities available in Marketing Cloud and Sales Cloud, Service Cloud. Okay, so now it's clear, right? What is a Salesforce? Salesforce is one of the software company. So where it is started? Headquartered in, this is Indian company or US company? This is a US based company. That's why we are called as a American company. Salesforce is an American cloud-based software company. Where it is in USA? San Francisco. Where it is in San Francisco? In California. So mainly they are providing ready-made CRM software applications. The CRM means mainly included marketing, sales, and service application, service software applications and development. They have so many applications like this, but these three are the playing key roles, main important. Clear? Clear, guys?
Clear.
Yeah, good. Thank you. So if you, so some people is understanding Salesforce means, so we are selling the products forcefully. No, not like that, guys. Okay, don't misunderstand about Salesforce. Salesforce is one of the biggest company, biggest software company. So they are focusing on only CRM softwares. Sir, only Salesforce companies developing CRM softwares in a market. Is there any other companies also developing? Any other companies, any CRM softwares? Obviously, we are having competitors in the business, right? So if Salesforce is developed one CRM software application, so if it is having good market or good boom, right? They have good demand. Obviously, what happening? Immediately, another company also going to develop same CRM. Then they named it as a Salesforce CRM. Salesforce company developed one CRM software and they named it as a Salesforce CRM. That software name itself, Salesforce CRM. So similarly, any other companies are developing? Yes, we have. Suppose Honda, Hero company is developing one Hero scooter or bike. Obviously, same kind of features. Another companies also will develop, right? Yamaha company will develop, TVS company will develop, right? Suzuki company, some blah blah companies also working. Similarly, in IT industry also, SAP also one of the company. They are also developing CRM software. They named it as a SAP. Then Pega, right? Yeah, Pega. Yeah. Then Microsoft.
Microsoft.
Microsoft company also they are developing one CRM. What they named it as a
Dynamics CRM.
Dynamics 360. MS Dynamics 360. So like that, n number of companies are developing n number of CRM softwares. Understanding? So how they are doing business means, so we are having n number of companies in market, right? Every company, every business, what they need, they are having customers. That goes any of the business. Think once, Any of the business running without customers? Tell me some example. Any business. So we are having different kind of business, that's secondary. Each and that is a small business or medium business, large or big businesses. Each business, they are having their own customers. Correct? So like that, how many CRM softwares are available in markets, or how many CRM software companies? If people can see my screen, what is this? HubSpot, SAP, Pipedrive, Freshworks, Salesforce. This is the logos they have placed. Microsoft, Pega, Oracle, Oracle NetSuite. Okay, they named as a different. So Zoho, this is the Zoho. You people know the background of Zoho, right? So many CRM softwares are there. In that, only one CRM software is the world #1 place occupied, right? Occupied or not? Only one is there, not all are right. What is that? What is the world #1 CRM company? Which company is providing CRM?
Salesforce.
Everyone want to use world #1 software or other softwares? Majority of the people want to use world #1 products only, right? Got it? That's why many companies are they are migrating from other CRM softwares applications to the Salesforce CRM software. That is the reason we are getting lot of opportunities. So each and every company have their own or standard software they are giving. On top of that, however you want, you can modify according to your requirement. Understand, guys? Why we are learning Salesforce? Why we are not learning other CRM softwares? Why we are having this much demand for Salesforce CRM nowadays? There is no secrets, nothing. Everyone want to use the #1 software in the market. So all the companies, they are going to use. Some companies, they are moving out of these companies. So some customers also migrating from Salesforce, some other type, some different they are. That is the reason they are getting. Understand? Clear, guys? That is the reason. What types of jobs we are having in Salesforce means. So wherever you go, any technology, admin jobs we are having, right? Here also Salesforce admin jobs are there. Then developer jobs. Then Salesforce testing jobs, right? those who are learning admin, right? So those they don't want any code. They are not interested to learn coding. For them, admin jobs is suitable. What they are doing is, so without writing code, right? What and all they can do, they are doing. Simply we can say declarative development or configurations management or user management. These are the main functionalities admins are handling. What is the configuration? What is the user management? What and all those things we see. Developer means they are writing some programming logic and they are using. Then testers means in testing also we have two types: manual or functional testing, then automation testing. Manual or functional testing, no need to write single line of code. The step-by-step navigation which we are going to write and we are performing. Just we can say we are saying whether developer or admin is properly developed or not as per the requirement. What testers will do? Testers is going to test the things. Then once application went to live, which is nothing but go live or real users are using. If they are facing any issues, then to help them, we are having support. Okay. So admin and developer are most of the time eligible for the support jobs. So testers eligible kada. Testers కూడా డెవలప్మెంట్ నేర్చుకుంటే ఎలిజిబుల్ అవుతాం. Got it? సో వాట్ ఈస్ ఏ సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్? మరి సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ లో కూడా సార్ మనం ఇవన్నీ డెవలప్ చేస్తున్నామంటే మనకు కూడా కొంత లాంగ్వేజ్ కావాలి కదా. సో నిన్న చెప్పుకున్న ప్రకారం వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ విచ్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ బట్ డేటాబేస్. కరెక్ట్? is the simply database. So we are having some tables. So if you want to develop database or backend, we need some languages, right? What language we are using? The basic language, SQL. And this is the application to develop these different applications also, which we are going to use some programming language, right? Here also the same front end or UI which we are going to develop using some languages. What is the front end language which we are using in Salesforce? What is the back end language which we are going to use? Salesforce. Okay. So back end language, just they renamed it as a SOQL. What is the full form of SOQL? Salesforce Object
Query language.
Then to develop these front end applications, so structure almost same, just they renamed it as a SOQL. So to develop these front end applications or logics, so usually we are using Java programming like that, right? Here also we are using Apex, is the programming language which we are using. What is the full form of Apex, sir? Anyone? What is the full form of Apex? Advanced Programming Experience.
Query.
Okay. So I will share you this later, Maurice. So then only Apex we are using, sir. We do have some other things also, which is Lightning components and LWC, Lightning Web Components and Aura components also, which they are using to build or to develop the Salesforce software applications. This which we are not going to touch, just I'm telling, because some interview they asked, one of the guy they asked what language they are using, what language they are using in Salesforce. You know that guy what answer he told? Can anyone expect?
Yes.
So, tell me, sorry.
So basically, this Salesforce developer can use HTML, CSS, Java, and
Yeah,
from
that also that part of this only. Yeah, usually we are saying HTML or CSS or Java. It's Apex also. Right, LWC is also almost similar to Java only.
Mhm.
Whereas coming to backend, we are using SQL, which is called as SOQL. We will answer like that. That guy, nobody expected the answer which he told. What language he told? English. Ask, is it conveniently? Is it convenient? Yes, he's saying yes, conveniently we are using English only. In Salesforce, the language which we are using is English, he told in the interview. Is the right answer? Yes, correct answer ఇది.
No, I think so. No.
ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఏబిసిలు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి ఇంగ్లీష్ అని చెప్తే రైట్ ఆన్సర్ కాదు కదా. ఓకే, దట్ ఈస్ అంటే ఈ డజన్ నో at least the basics, what back-end language they are using in Salesforce, what front-end language they are using in Salesforce, he is not aware. What he thought is, he is thinking, yes, we are each and everything we are using English only, right? We are not using Telugu or Hindi, right? He is in that mode. He told, yes, English we are using in Salesforce. Okay, so such type of mistakes also they are doing in interviews. Simply they are learning directly what is a Salesforce. Salesforce is one of the software company, so they are developing CRM software applications, right? Like that in a high level, which this entire process might not know many people. These are the very very basics. What we thought basics వీళ్ళందరూ తెలుసు అనుకుంటాం మనం. కొంతమంది తెలిసి ఉండొచ్చు, వెల్ అండ్ గుడ్. కొంతమందికి తెలిసి ఉండకపోవచ్చు. ఓకే, yeah, that's secondary. So what is a front end language we are using is Apex or LWC or Lightning. This is having good demand in market nowadays. LWC components or Lightning components. Okay, but the backend language is SOQL. Similar to, so guys, Salesforce concept is only one, right? What and all they are having, they are giving it on rental basis. Normally, which we are saying, what does it mean by rent? Pay money and use it. సార్ యూజువల్లీ మనం హౌస్ కదా సార్ రెంట్ అనేది, దేనికైనా సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ మోడల్ అనొచ్చు, లేదా జనరల్ మనకు అర్థమయ్యే భాష చెప్పాలంటే రెంట్. వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, ఈ సిఆర్ఎం సాఫ్ట్వేర్లు అన్నీ కూడా సో రెంట్లకి ఇచ్చేస్తున్నారు. మీకు ఏ కావాలంటే 1 month, 2 months, 3 years, లేకపోతే 1 year, వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ వాంట్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ దే ఆర్ గివింగ్ ఆన్ రెంటల్ బేసిస్. ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అంటున్నారు, ఏమేమి ఇస్తున్నారు సార్? ఆ రెంటల్ వర్డ్నే టెక్నికల్ గా మనం ఏమంటామంటే లైసెన్స్. ఎంతమంది అయితే నీ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ వాడుకోవాలనుకుంటారో నీ కంపెనీలో ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా వీ హ్యావ్ టు పే మనీ. దాన్ని ఎడిషన్స్ బేస్ చేసుకొని చెప్తే అది గోయింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఐ లెట్ యు. ఓకే, సో సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. సో దే ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ రెడీమేడ్ CRM software, right? So if you want to this software, if you want this software, you can directly use it. Just pay money and you can use it. Okay, sir, the ready-made software which Salesforce is giving, that is enough for me means you can pay this, you can use this one only. You just pay money for this. The service which we are called as a only software, right? Software as a software as a service. Directly we can use. I don't want any customizations or any modifications in your software. Just I will give it to you. You can use it instantly. You just pay money for this only. Okay, sir, if I want to customize, what you need, guys? Suppose you purchase a dress. If the dress is suitable for you, directly we are using. If the dress is not suitable for you, where you are going? You are going to tailor. So what tailor is doing? Redesigning. Right? Where he is doing redesigning? What you need if you want to do redesign or alteration? You need tailoring machine or not? Guys, you need tailoring machine or not? Where he is doing, guys? With the help of tailoring machine, he is doing. So here also, if you want to modify or redesign according to your own way on top of standard, we also need something like tailoring machine, right? The tailoring machine which we are called as a platform. Sir, I don't have money to buy this tailoring machine. Then how they will give? They have to purchase the machine, then they have to use, tailor has to use this one. Similarly here, if you want platform, Salesforce company, what Salesforce company is saying, sir, I am having platform. You just pay money and you can use it. If you don't want, you can leave it. That also they are giving as a service model. Platform as a PA. Yes. Understand? So everything they are having. Don't pay or don't buy anything. We are having each and everything. We will give you on license base. Your schedule is give me 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, license base they are giving. So you are having your own software now, right? So we are going to save our data. So if you want to save data, what we need, guys?
Database.
Database already we are having, right? Storage memory, right? Storage space or memory. So we all are purchasing a laptop, right? So our requirement is 1 TB. Are we using 1 TB data space? Even if you are having requirement or if you are not having requirement, simply we are buying 1 TB hard disk, right? Why you are buying? Unnecessarily you are wasting your money, right? So what Salesforce concept is, so if you are having 100 GB data, right? So you can go with the base plan 100. If your data is going to increase from 100 to another 50 GB means you can pay for 150 GB. So your data is going to increase 200 means you can pay for 200 GB. So this also they are giving it as a service base. These all are comes under according to your volume of data. Okay, they are building infrastructure. How much RAM you need, how much storage capacity you want, each and everything they are giving as a rental cost. That which we are called as a infrastructure. That infrastructure also they are giving it as a service model. Infrastructure as a IaaS. So ultimate concept of Salesforce concept is don't buy anything. What you want, we are ready to give you on license base. Just pay money and you can use it. If you don't want, you can leave it. No need. Suppose simple mobile recharge. Monthly we are doing recharge, right? If you don't want, no need to renewal. No need to recharge. If you don't want this software also, you can leave it. We are not, their concept is don't waste your money. Got it? What are the new features also we are giving, right? So our Salesforce is mainly running on these three service models: software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. So nowadays, all cloud-based companies, they are providing these services, their own softwares. So another name for this software as a service is, how many of you know SFDC? You people heard about SFDC, right? What is that SFDC? What is the full form of SFDC abbreviation?
Salesforce development lifecycle.
Salesforce
Development lifecycle.
development life cycle. Any others? Any other abbreviations? SF means Salesforce. D means dot. C means CUM. Salesforce.com, not software Salesforce development lifecycle. Okay. SFDC full form is Salesforce.com or SFDC, which is nothing but a ready-made or the standard Salesforce software. Got it? Understand? Then another name for this one, Post.com. This is a Post.com. So there is no another name for this one. These two are the names which we are having. So what is the use of Force.com, guys? Why we are using Force.com?
For developments.
Yes. So whatever the ready-made software Salesforce has given, that is not enough for you. We are going with the development. Again, you are modifying, redesigning. The redesign technically, which we are called as a customization. Who is going to customize your software? ఎవరు మనకి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ రెడీ చేసేది, కస్టమైజ్ మార్చేది?
Service based company.
సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్ డెవలపర్స్.
Yeah,
సేల్స్ ఫోర్స్
Salesforce.
డెవలపర్స్ మనం మార్చేది. వాళ్ళు కోడ్
Yes,
రాసి అని చేస్తారు కదా, రైట్?
Correct.
ఎక్కడ చేస్తారు ఈ కోడ్? ఎక్కడ రాస్తారు? ఈ force.com లో రాస్తారు, రైట్? అవి ఎక్కడ మనకి ఉపయోగపడతాయి? ఆ రాసినటువంటి కోడ్ రాసి డెవలప్ చేసినవి ఈ సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ లోకి వస్తాయి, రైట్? అల్టిమేట్ గా ఈ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అనేది కంపెనీలు మీ కంపెనీలో ఎట్లయితే కావాలనుకుంటారో మీరు వాడుకుంటారు. Got it? అండర్స్టాండ్ గైస్? ఏవైతే నీ కంపెనీ
Got it.
ఓన్ గా రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఇచ్చి ఈ డెవలపర్ చేత డెవలప్ చేసుకుంటుంటావు ఈ force.com లో, అవి ఎక్కడ ఉపయోగపడుతుంటాయి? ఈ అప్లికేషన్ మనకు కనిపిస్తుంటాయి. మరి ఇక్కడ డెవలప్ చేస్తున్నటువంటి డెవలపర్స్ సరిగా చేస్తున్నారా లేదా, రైట్? అది ఎవరు చూసుకోవాలి? Again, they are going to recruit Salesforce testers. Same requirement is same for developers and testers. Developer is developing that one, tester is testing that one. Got it? So simple example I will come up with here. What builder is doing, guys?
Planning.
Construction.
Constructing a plots, right? ఒక అపార్ట్మెంట్ కడతాడు, అపార్ట్మెంట్ లో ప్లాట్లు కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేస్తాడు. అన్ని ఫ్లాట్స్ ఒకేలా ఉంటాయా లేకపోతే ఒక్కొక్కటి కూడా ఉంటాయా ఒక అపార్ట్మెంట్ లో? టాప్ టు బాటమ్ ఒకటే డిజైన్ ఉంటుందా లేకపోతే డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటాయా?
You mean, are you talking about the structure?
ఎస్, స్ట్రక్చర్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్.
So structure is outside structure is this, the look wise is same plan, but inside the plot is different
Yes.
different structure.
Yes, yes. Based on, suppose for example, only one apartment, one flat, or in each floor, 3 to floor flats, each and every floor, right? So 101, 201, 301, 401, 501, for example, like that. All are having same dimensions, same measurements, right? Look and feel also same, right?
Yeah, some cases because
Yeah.
some flats is
Yeah,
quite
according to
different.
the plot. Yeah, according to the plot. Okay. So the floor from top to bottom or bottom to top having same. After construction the plot, what builder is doing? Builder is handovering to their customers or clients. Suppose you purchase one plot, I purchase one plot, some others purchase some plots. Are we staying with the same plot after giving it to you?
No. I made
What
some
we are doing
changes.
again?
We made some interior changes.
Interior works, right? So you are going with your own interior works, I am going with my own interior works, some others are going with their own interior works. Who is going to do this interior works? Again, we are going with some other people according to you are giving your expectations. According to that, this interior works people are doing. Correct? Even builder is given the base or plot, right? We can stay in that plot without doing interior also. Why we are doing interior works?
According to our needs.
Yes. So similarly, Salesforce company జరిగేది కూడా అంతే. They are giving base plot, base software to all. సో తర్వాత క్లయింట్లు ఎవరైతే తీసుకున్నారో వాళ్ళకి నచ్చిన విధంగా మళ్ళీ ఇంటీరియర్ వర్క్ చేసుకుంటారు. ఆ ఇంటీరియర్ వర్క్ ఎవరైతే చేసుకున్నారో, ఓకే, ఎవరు చేసుకున్నా కూడా ఈ ఫ్లాట్ లోనే చేస్తారా లేకపోతే అదే స్ట్రక్చర్ సేమ్ కదా? అక్కడ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏమైనా మారిద్దా? No change in the structure. The structure which we are called as a ready-made software. On top of that only which we can do, right? Got it? ఈ స్ట్రక్చర్ ని ఏవైతే వాళ్ళు ఇంటీరియర్ వర్క్ చేశారో అవి ప్రాపర్ గా చేశారా లేదనేది టెస్టర్ విల్ టెస్ట్. తర్వాత వీళ్ళకి ఏంటంటే ఈ స్టాండర్డ్ తెలిసి ఉండాలి, కష్టం అనేది కూడా తెలిసి ఉంటేనే వాళ్ళు చేయగలరు. అండర్స్టాండ్స్? The just concept oriented which I told you guys. Okay, clear?
Clear.
So what and all the services Salesforce is giving? Software as service, platform as service, infrastructure as service. What is the another name for SFDC? Salesforce.com. What is the force.com? In interview, they will ask you what is the difference between force.com and salesforce.com. What is the answer for that? Anyone? So Salesforce.com means the ready-made software, like Builder, which I was given this plot. Right? So if you want to customize, if you want to redesign, what we need? With the help of platform only, right? Which we are going to do, right? That platform which we are called as a, in Salesforce terminology, I'm saying, guys. Okay? Clear? So to customize this, sir, I don't want this ready-made software, sir. I want take only this. I will pay money for this only. I will not do that. Not possible. Sir, na calls వద్దు. I mean, data వద్దు. Right? Only calls కు మాత్రమే ఇవ్వండి. Right? 1.5 GB వద్దు నాకు. 0.5 GB డైలీ ఇవ్వండి. అంటే ఉన్నాయా ప్లాన్లు? ఎనీ నెట్వర్క్ లో? అంటే వాళ్ళు ఒక బేస్ ప్రైస్, బేస్ ప్లాన్స్ అని వాళ్ళు డిఫైన్ చేశారు. మనం కూడా అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్ వెళ్ళడమే. మనం చేసేది ఏం లేదు. ఇది బై డిఫాల్ట్ లేకుండా వాళ్ళు కూడా ఎవరు ఏం చేయలేం. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు, ఇదైతే బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఉంటుంది. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్. ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ వాంట్, నో నీడ్ టు యూజ్ ఇట్. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ కంప్లీట్ న్యూ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ మీన్స్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్. You can create your own new software also. Not a problem. If any of the standard things, if you want to use it, you can use it. If you don't want, you can use it. Or else 50% I will use the standard things and remaining 50% I will customize. Like that also you can use it. Or else completely I will go with customizations. You can like that also, you can go any model. What they are going to do mainly, they are going to customize these 3 software applications. What are the 3 software applications? Marketing software and
Marketing, sales,
and
and
service.
service. Is already standard software they are providing. If you want to customize, you can customize this one according to your interest. Sir, I don't want, I want to queue my own software. Yeah, you can create your own software. Okay. VLR software. You can create your own software application, not a problem. That is up to you, but they are giving facilities to do it. Got it? So simply, they are saying their ultimate goal is don't waste your money. We are giving each and everything on rental basis. You can use. If you want, you don't want, you can go with your own way. Understand, guys? This model, service models, right? So these things and what happening in, what is Salesforce, guys? So CRM means, what is CRM? Customer relationship management. So tomorrow class, I will go with each and every software functionalities. In marketing software, what functionalities they are doing. In a sales software, what functionalities they are doing. Okay, like this. Okay, then all clouds. Let me go with all clouds. Let's see. See, okay, this is the marketing cloud. Mainly, they are creating all the advertisements campaign. Through advertisement, some people are coming. How many employees are working? Okay, in each department, how much budget they are allocating. After budget, how many people are interested? Those to track all these things, they are using marketing cloud. Got it? So after this leads, whom this leads is helping? This same lead they are giving to the sales team. Then sales team is discussing with them and they are selling their products. While they are selling, they are taking their original names and their addresses and how much they paid, all those things they are tracking in a sales application. This is the same sales process. Then we are reusing some data, some tables data in multiple applications. Here we have used leads, right? Same leads data, table data we are using here also. Here we have generated account contact, right? This is the one table, this is the one table. Then service application, the main objective of service application is cases. Cases means it's nothing but a ticket or help number. Yeah, ticketing tool, or we can say different. Then whenever you are creating case, who is facing the problem? The person name. What is his address? We are using this one. What solution we have provided? What is the feedback we have received? To store all these things, we are using here. On top of that, if you want to create any table, you can create it. If you want to create any application, you can create it. These are the front-end application functionalities. This will create practice server to each and everyone, and you people have to create your own applications. That practice server will set up tomorrow's class, guys. What are the clouds they are offering Salesforce? Mainly marketing cloud, sales cloud, and service cloud. How data is flowing from one cloud to another cloud. Clear? So tomorrow we'll create your practice server, okay, and then we'll create some back-end things and some front-end things. If people got an idea what is Salesforce, why we are learning Salesforce, why we are not learning other courses, other CRMs?
Yes.
Clear? Anyone
Clear.
have any doubts?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Harsha, do you have any doubts?
No, not at all, sir.
Okay, good. Thank you. If no doubts, shall we wind up for the day? Catch you by tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. మనం కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ గా వెళ్ళొచ్చా సార్?
వై నాట్? డెఫినెట్లీ మీరు అర్థం చేసుకుంటే ఎంత ఫాస్ట్ గా అంత ఫాస్ట్ గా వెళ్దాం. అంటే ఇనిషియల్ గా కాబట్టి కొంచెం స్లో ఉన్నా ఈ బేసిక్ కాన్సెప్ట్ తెలిస్తే నెక్స్ట్ కొంచెం ఫాస్ట్ గా వెళ్తామని వెళ్తాం, ఇబ్బంది లేదు. అప్ టు యూ పీపుల్ ఒపీనియన్.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you guys. Thank you all. Catch you by tomorrow.
సరే సార్.